Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath's FX channel, and this is the Poco X2 device. I just checked recently whether the update has been received or not. As you can see, the update has been received. This is a public user build. As you can see, 12.5.2 latest update and optimized Android security patch to August 2021. This is the latest security patch on this Poco X2 12.5.2, 627 MB size. I am downloading it. After downloading, and I will be making another separate video of this Poco X2. As you can see, with this update, what all the changes has been done in this update. Let's see. And if you're first time to this channel, head down the subscribe down below and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. If you like the video, give it a like. And do note this, guys, this is the update received for public users, not I am not a pilot tester or anything like that. It's received for everyone this evening. Do check out if you are already got the update. Comment down below what all the bugs you are facing in this update and what all the features you see in this update. Let me know in the comment section below. And this is the MIUI 12.5.2 update received on Poco X2 device. Stay tuned to my channel. I will be making review of this update. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with another interesting video.